Rewarding, clinically relevant, excellent reputation. I'm the coordinator of the Cancer and Haematology Nursing program at Sydney Nursing School. Cancer and haematology nurses work in many different areas. They can work in the hospital, the outpatient setting, the community setting, in acute and palliative care, also in radiotherapy, chemotherapy, surgery or medical wards. Our program is challenging, it's rewarding, the staff are very supportive. You'll learn a lot about putting evidence into practice. You'll be considered to have expert knowledge in cancer and haematology nursing when you finish the program. The Cancer and Haematology Nursing program is about providing students with knowledge to consolidate their clinical experience. We focus on the biology of cancer and haematology. We look at the experience of patients. We look at specialised interventions that nurses can carry out to help patients. And we also look at expanding practice, so providing a more advanced practice for our patients. Cancer and haematology nurses really need to know about the patient journey and the perspective of the patient and their families and carers. It's quite a unique journey for people, and being able to help them from diagnosis right through their journey and through to survivorship is very important. The staff that teach into the program here are clinical experts as well as academics. We bring in cancer nurses, from nurse practitioners to nurse consultants and specialists. We also bring in medical staff, including radiation oncologists and surgeons. We also bring in patients to speak to the students to really get that different perspective. One of the star attractions in our teaching team is Professor Kate White. Professor White is an expert in cancer nursing and is very passionate about helping students increase their knowledge. We place an emphasis on research in our program at Sydney Nursing School, and being able to put research and evidence base into practice and translating that into practice really helps patient care and can really contribute to a cancer nurse's career. Students can take a research pathway as part of their study program here at Sydney Nursing School, and we find that many students are interested in pursuing their study and going into the PhD program, or possibly even transferring into the nurse practitioner program when they've finished their cancer and haematology study. I've been a cancer nurse for nearly 20 years. I've worked in many different specialties. I'm an endorsed nurse practitioner and my specialty is gynae oncology. I have a particular interest in cancer nursing research, and as I also work clinically, I'm able to translate that into my practice, and I'm particularly passionate about improving outcomes for patients. What I love about teaching is seeing the student progression throughout the semester and throughout their course. Students can really put into practice, into their clinical environment, what they're learning at Sydney Nursing School and make a big difference to patients. If you're a cancer and haematology nurse thinking of studying further, I'd really recommend you come to Sydney Nursing School. I've been a student here at Sydney Nursing School, and what I really loved was how relevant the program was to my clinical work, the support that I got from the academic staff, and also the peers that I've met and formed lasting relationships with. Whether you enter at graduate certificate, graduate diploma or master's level, you'll find a real benefit to your career.